Alrighty, so this is going to be a malware issue with Msftconnecttest. Okay, hi all. So I was gaming away when I noticed in my secondary monitor the website Msftconnecttest.com kept opening up. Please don't go there. Opening up, as well as MSN without my input. I searched this up, and apparently MSFT Connect is a normal Microsoft thing checking connections when on public networks or using captive portal. This is my home network. There is no captive portal. Also, I was fully connected to the internet the whole time these URLs were opening up, not using VPN at the time. My question is it possible that this was malicious? If so, what should I do? Also, I was able to get it to stop after a factory reset of the router. Okay, that's interesting. You needed a reset of the router to fix this, but what I would say would be to install Malwarebytes and have it scan your root directory. Okay, captive portal. Okay, I don't know how far I want to go into this. So, Google Msft connect test. Connecting my college website shows internet access test for the internet that is part of the package provided by Microsoft to allow the public to access Wi-Fi hotspots. And you said you reset the router and that fixed it. Perform a test to choose the best network. A browser hijacker program that has earned the name due to the changes that is capable of enforcing in your browser. Oh, okay. So it looks like it may be a browser redirect, and when he rebooted it, the router itself may have updated, and now it started to block that traffic. Okay, so let's do it that way. Have it scan your root directory. It seems like there is a possibility there may have been some browser redirects happening to the site that has since been blocked upon rebooting your router. Yeah. No, that's not really a thing though. Like, okay, the reason why I say it's not really a thing is because they would have to come in from the outside and access him. But he is essentially from the inside accessing them. So the firewall wouldn't block that. It would just allow that to go out. Now it may block the return, but I don't know if it would, unless it thinks that traffic as malicious. So, but they would just see the page. The page cannot be displayed. Is probably what they'll end up seeing, regardless of who sent the first packet. So yeah, with this here, it seems like there is a possibility there may have been some browser redirects happening to the site that has since been blocked upon rebooting your router. But yeah, just scan the drive and make sure everything is okay. That's what I would say for this, or anybody else that's having an issue similar to this, just to go ahead and run Malwarebytes and let it scan the C drive just to make sure everything's okay. It's a possibility that it could be something that has basically made changes or modifications to your browser or your DNS entries to make them go to a different location, thus triggering this whole captive portal thing. So yeah, it's a possibility that it could be like a malware or something like that. But the best way to find out is by running Malwarebytes and finding out if that fixes the issue. So yeah, I don't know for sure. Like when you say the router is what caused the issue, I'm not 100% sure on that one. It seems like more of a PC thing than a router thing. Because if it was a router thing, then it's a possibility that other people could have had the problem too. You know what I mean? So yeah, I don't think that other people that is on your home network could have had the problem. So yeah, I don't necessarily think that it's going to be the router on this one. But if you said that's what fixed it, then there's a high possibility that probably fixed it. So that's my 2 cents, and I'll just leave it alone. I'm facing the same solution and literally started like 1 to 2 hours ago. I just disabled a registry entry. Solution 1 here. Hope solves the issue. Well, you're in luck. There's a possibility. What I would say would be, okay, so we'll just copy this and give it to him and make sure that we get him taken care of too. 2 for 1. Did not see that coming. And have it scan your root directory. Yeah, that's what I would say for both of them. So he's having the issue here, and basically he went to his registry, redirect error in Windows 10. Okay, so he disabled the connection test. So basically, this is exactly what I was saying, that it's not a router issue. It seems more like a PC issue. HTTPS protocol, or I'm sorry, HTTPS configuration, and then reset the Internet Explorer settings, Internet options, and reset. So yeah, basically there's some redirects happening on the browser. So yeah, so I would still stand by exactly what I said. So basically you can do all these steps here that are outlined for this, you know, because this is how to fix. Okay, yeah. So you can go through all these. I'm not really against any of these. Regedit to try to remove something, or changing the configuration for the HTTP and HTTPS protocol, as well as the Internet Explorer, Internet options, and then reset Internet Explorer settings if you're using Internet Explorer. I don't know too many people that are still using Internet Explorer, but whatever. But yeah, I would actually just run Malwarebytes and see if that actually does anything. And I'll stick by that. Let's see what he says. And let's see what he says. Reply. Oh, no, not reply. Edit. You can just message me if you still have issues after installing. Thanks. No, not thanks. Just thanks. After installing. I want to do like a thumbs up, but I don't know what the icon is for it, so we'll leave it alone. Okay, 2 for 1. Did not see that coming. I'll take it though.